Hi viewers, welcome back. Today's video will be a vlog on our visit to Bohayra Mazraa or Blue Lake Farm. This farm is famous for strawberry picking. A Kuwaiti farmer named Abdaly has turned this place to desert oasis. Now, this was not at all a pre-planned trip so that I could prepare for the day. Me and my husband decided it all of a sudden to entertain the kids when my son had a stay overnight for his friends at home. On the day, the kids woke up early morning, even though they slept late at night. It was a memorable and fun-filled night for them. They had a light early morning snack while playing PlayStation, and then we decided to go to McDonald's for breakfast. After breakfast, we came back home again to get fresh, and then we started at 11. First, we went to a supermarket and bought few eatables to munch on the way, as the journey would take around an hour and more. Abdaly is a large area of agricultural farms. It lies to the east of Road 80 to Basra, which means Iraq, close to the northern borders of Kuwait, which is 130 kilometers away from Kuwait City. As it was a Friday, we went to the mosque on the way for Friday prayers. After a long drive, we reached the farm around 1:30. It was really pleasing for the eyes to see the farm full of greenery. And the most important thing in this farm is they have used a lot of reclaimed wood here and there. Apart from fruits and vegetables, they also have a lot of birds and animals here. They also rented bicycles for kids to ride through the farm and see the sight. We could see a lot of arfraj flowers here and there in the farm, which is the national flower of Kuwait. First, we went to the strawberry farm. As we entered, they gave us a box and a pair of scissors. My son and his friends enjoyed harvesting. Then we went to the farm market. They have kept lots of fruits and vegetables there for sale, which is organic, of course. They have their own brand of tea, honey, pickles, and dairy products. They also sell Holland brand lilies, zinnias, and tulips, which are grown in the farm here. They also had their own brand of ice creams, which are made from the fruits and vegetables grown in the farm here. That's the strawberry ice cream and the jackfruit ice cream. And they also had a special ice cream made from beetroot. Went to the lily and zinnia farm, and wow, that was really beautiful. Beside the lily farm, there was a small area for goats. The kids were feeding the goats and they really enjoyed it. And then as we moved, we could see lots of restaurants there. That's the sugarcane shop. They made juice out of sugar canes grown from the farm itself. I was very impressed with that pallet tables. And they have arranged a large area for kids to play and spend their time. We had small photo session. We decided to have a light lunch as we had heavy breakfast in the morning. So we had small sandwich. Then the children had some corn and chocolate dripped strawberries. Around 4 p.m. we came back to the cycling area again. We can either rent a bicycle or the car for sightseeing. While the kids were cycling, I went to the beetroot farm and they allowed me to harvest fresh beetroots. There is also a small zoo area with few birds and animals. We returned back around 5:30 p.m. It was a fun trip for the kids. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all with another video next time. Until then, take care. Goodbye.